This is the Southlake, Texas real estate market update through the end of July 2025. It says August because we are at the beginning of August. My name is Dana Pollard. I'm a real estate broker here in Southlake, Texas. But let's get into it and make this short and quick. All right, so prices are trending. It's still a little bit sideways right now for the close median price of July 2025. The median close price was 1.4375. And now keep that in mind, even though it went down a little bit from last month, any given month, we really want to look at the year over year versus month over month because it's not necessarily an indication that the market's gone down in Southlake. So I anticipate next month that median home price coming down lower. I could be surprised, but I'm pretty sure it's going to come down lower next month, and we'll see what it ends at the end of how it lands at the end of the year. The number of closed sales for the month of July is 45. That's about normal for Southlake, Texas, but I do want to point this out that 37 of those homes that closed in the month of July were under the price of $2 million. What does that mean? It means it's still a pretty hot market in Southlake for homes priced under $2 million, but for homes priced over $2 million, it's gotten pretty competitive. For instance, we have 143 active listings in Southlake, Texas. 74 of them are under $2 million, and yet the majority of homes that closed last month were under $2 million. And so we have the same amount of listings over $2 million as we do under $2 million, but it's super hot under $2 million. All right, the average days on market is 29 and only 14 for the median days on market. Again, if your home is, I would say this, if your home's listed under $2 million, or maybe you're a buyer looking, homes are selling fast if they are priced well and they are updated. Those two factors can help your home sell very quickly in Southlake. So if you are considering listing your property, you may want to go ahead and invest a little bit of time and a little bit of money in making it look a little more updated than the neighbor down the street, because it will not only multiply your profits, but it's also going to take that time on the market and shorten it. Homes that are not updated, even if they're priced well, tend to sit a little longer, not a little bit, a lot longer, as well as homes that are over 2 million. Months of inventory, 4 months. I've separated at this 2 million mark because homes under 2 million, it still feels like it can be a seller's market, but we're kind of at this moment in time of history that it feels like a buyer's market. And I would say homes priced over 2 million is definitely a buyer's market. Closed price by square foot is $378. It's right on the money. And homes are selling at 98.1% of list price. So if you're a buyer looking to buy in Southlake, just know that it depends on every listing, how long it's been on the market, is it so many factors, but it's just a little bit under list price is what most homes are selling for. And the number of expired listings did shoot up to 53 in the month of July. Again, many of those homes are over the $2 million price point. And I feel like this next month, we're just going to see that keep trending up. I could be wrong, but it definitely in the month of July, it felt very slow, which is very normal for the month of July, not in the crazy 21, 22 era of real estate, but a normal real estate market. It significantly slows down in the month of July because most families are trying to buy that home and close in July, which is why we still see a high number of closings in July. But as far as showings are concerned, showings significantly slowed down in the month of July, and that's normal year over year. We do anticipate it picking up again in the next few months, so if you're looking at listing your property, don't let the month of July and August scare you. It does start picking up again in the last quarter of the year, so keep that in mind. If you're a buyer, now is like prime time to purchase a home right now. Like, this is the time to buy, especially if you're looking over 2 million, because again, that last quarter of the the year it starts picking up. People want to move before the end of the year or before the holidays. So that is it. If you are looking to buy or sell a home in the Southlake area or surrounding cities, I would be so happy to help. All you have to do is call, text, or email me, or fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire or Sell My Home Questionnaire in the link below and schedule a Zoom consultation with me, and I can help you step by step in the process. See you on our next video.